Welcome to our channel. So today in lecture 7 we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous NEET examination for class 12 for the chapter 7th evolution. So let's start with the video. So the very first question which is there, that is, according to Darwin, organic evolution is due to, the first option is competition with closely related species. The second option is reduced feeding efficiency in one species due to the presence of another species. The third option is intra-specific competition, and the last option is interspecific competitions. So the right answer for this question is option D, and that is interspecific competition. So the second question is, the wings of a bird and the wings of an insect are, option A is analogous structures, option B is homologous structures, option C is phylogenetic structures, and option D is none of the above. So the right answer for this question is option A, and that is analogous structures. The third question is, which of the following are more suitable indications of SO2 pollution in the environment? The first option is ants, the second option is algae, the third option is fungi, and the last option is lichen. So the right answer for this question is option D, and that is lichens. The fourth question is, which of the following had the smallest brain capacity? The first option is Homo habilis. The second option is Homo neanderthalensis. The third option is Homo sapiens. And the last option is Homo erectus. So the right answer for this question is option A, that is Homo habilis. So the fifth question is, a population will not exist in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium if dash. The option A is there are no mutations. The option B is population is large. The option C is individual mate selectively. The option D is population has not migrated. So the right answer for this question is option C, and that is individuals mate selectively. Question 6th. In a population of 100 individuals, 360 belongs to a genotype capital A, 480 belongs to capital A small a, and the remaining 160 belongs to small a. So based on this data, what is the frequency of allele capital A in the population? So the option A is 0.2, option B is 0.5, option C is 0.4, and the option D is 0.6. So the right answer for this question is 0.6. So 0.6 frequency of allele A is in the population. Question 7th. The forelimbs of cat, lizard used in walking, and the forelimbs of whale used in swimming, forelimbs of bat used in flying are examples of dash. So the first option is adaptive radiation, the second option is convergent evolution, the third option is analogous organs, and the last option is homologous organs. So the right answer for this question is option D, that is homologous organs. So the eighth question is, which of the following are analogous structures? The option A is gills of prawns and lungs of cow. The option B is wings of pigeons and wings of bat. The option C is flippers of dolphin and legs of rabbit. The option D is thorns of bougainvillea and tendrils of cucurbita. So the right answer for this question is option B, that is wings of pigeons and wings of bat. Question 9th is, industrial melanism is an example of dash. The first option is natural selection, the second option is mutation, the third option is neo-Lamarckism, and the last option is none of the above. So the right answer for this question is option A, and that is natural selection. So the last question for this lecture is, what is common to a whale, shark and seal? So the first option is seasonal migration, the second option is homeothermy, and the third option is subcutaneous fact, and the last option is convergent evolution. So the right answer for this question is option D, that is convergent evolution.